Have you been wondering whether PewDiePie's Odysseus AI is actually worth using, or if it's just another AI project getting a lot of attention online? In this video, I'm sharing my experience after testing Odysseus AI, from the initial hardware scan to its most useful features and overall performance. If you're interested in running AI locally on your PC, this review should help you understand what to expect before getting started. The first thing you'll notice is the Cookbook feature. Instead of making you guess which AI model your computer can handle, Odysseus automatically scans your hardware and checks important details like available GPU memory and system resources. It then provides a fit score that estimates how well different AI models should perform on your specific setup. This makes choosing a compatible model much easier, especially for beginners who aren't familiar with hardware requirements. After selecting a model, downloading and launching it is straightforward. The application manages most of the setup behind the scenes, allowing you to focus on using the AI instead of dealing with complicated commands. I also tested the deep research feature, which gathers information from multiple online sources before generating a structured report. Another useful feature is blind model comparison, where you can compare responses from different AI models without knowing which model produced each answer, helping you evaluate quality more objectively. Like any early software release, Odysseus isn't perfect. Some users may experience occasional download problems, syncing issues, or minor bugs depending on their system configuration. However, one of its biggest strengths is its local-first approach. Your files, conversations, and AI activity remain on your own computer instead of depending entirely on cloud services. Overall, Odysseus AI offers an interesting experience for users who want more privacy and control while running AI locally. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit HM Advisor for more AI reviews, tutorials, and practical tech guides.